Hey guys, I have a question and I thought it might be easier to just show you this video. My client wants these 20-inch cabinets stacked with 15-inch horizontal glass doors above. The problem is she's got a micro hood exhaust, and in order to give her the glass cabinets above, the seam of the cabinets is going to run right where the exhaust pipe is. You can see in my picture, the exhaust pipe goes back through the wall. So this would mean both the sides of the cabinet as well as the back of the cabinet would have to be cut out. I don't know if this is possible, but I think it looks nice. So I was thinking maybe it's possible to do a 15-inch cabinet here and another 15-inch wide cabinet here. Then we can hang the micro hood cabinet here with still putting these 30-inch horizontal glass doors over the top. But again, I don't know how possible that is, so let me know what you think. Thanks.